We don't care.
Hi guys, I'll make a proper intro. I'm just a bit shy because like people are looking at me and it's my first time doing this. So I want to prank your girl, Space Sunflower. So the plan is that we're gonna meet by the mall and then I'm gonna prank her. She doesn't know. So right now I'm looking for, what is it called? Food coloring, because now I'm gonna be pranking her as if like I'm bleeding or something. I have a dry cough and then I started bleeding. You see? So let's get into it. And okay, so yeah, I got the food coloring. These things are expensive. Anyways, I'm gonna get the one that's cheaper. Free. I'll get the one that's cheaper. I think it's, you see, getting the food coloring to prank your girl. I'll just get this one. Oh, this. So yeah. Hiyo guys, it's your baddie, that girl Sky, known as Mahoja Vibes. So today we're gonna be shooting a video. What are we shooting? Shooting
Truth, dare, or drink.
and then yeah, we're gonna be drinking this concussion, eh? Yeah.
It's white people cast oil, gents.
Wait.
As well as oil and oris.
Oil and others.
This name looks like someone's
I should have put
previous
like some
relationship.
onion.
No.
Yeah.
No. So I'm with.
It's your girl, Space Sunflower, you know.
And it's your boy Kanye, KHXNYA, baby. You can follow me on Instagram at Kanye.a.
Tired.
With a Y.
Yeah.
Cheeks, TSO.M on IG.
Uh-huh.
How are you?
Low me.
Yeah. Talk that shit.
There it is.
So yeah. Let's start.
Okay.
What substances have you taken? So nice. Only marijuana.
Marijuana.
Is that and alcohol is a substance. Yeah. Only marijuana and alcohol.
You know you can just say
It's the twin for me.
yeah. Zolo. Just once though. Yeah, once. Yeah.
It's me. I'll smoke coke. Crystal.
Nice, lying.
What is this? I'm joking. I've done all this marijuana. It's only marijuana, guys. I don't drink.
You guys can just say Zolo.
Weed and alcohol.
Me, benzene.
You're seeing monkeys.
Are you serious?
Oh, for real.
Yo.
Benzene, coke. Nah,
And how's benzene?
yo, bro, it's nice.
It's nice.
Nah, I wouldn't.
Cap.
It's benzene, weed, what? Cigarettes.
Wait,
You've been through it
this
all.
list is not ending.
Yeah.
Cigarettes, alcohol, and yeah, and coke.
And by the way, I stopped, guys. I don't do that anymore.
He's capping.
No, for real. I don't participate in such acts anymore, guys.
Yeah, oh wait.
We don't care.
Next question.
So
Day actually, isn't it?
yeah. Let's
Be
No, but then
spontaneous.
don't you ever like get a choice whether to answer or not?
Yeah.
It's like we're skipping that.
Yeah, if you don't answer.
okay.
If you don't want to answer,
And
you
it was an
drink.
easy question.
You drink.
A day.
A day.
This thing's like castor word, bro. Like, It's a question.
Is that a question?
No, I'm so sick, guys. I told y'all, nah.
Is that time on the moon?
No.
Hey.
Okay, day. Who's doing the day or
What's the
naming
day? What's the day?
It starts here.
It must start with China.
No, why did it?
I'm tired.
I'm the last one, so 1, 2, 3. Then I'm
Okay,
the
then
last
it
What do you
starts
want to be the
here.
last one?
People, it starts with you.
Nah, hey.
Wait, does he have to like dare each of us or?
No. Okay, you dare one person. Right?
Yeah, one person. You choose a person.
Dare, Baba.
An hour later,
Nah, please skate me, guys. Can someone else start?
No, we got, okay, ladies first.
2 hours later,
But I started, so somebody must start.
3 hours later,
You start. She haven't said anything.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, Nikita.
Yo.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Why me? You hate me. Yes, you hate me.
I have beef with you.
Yeah, you have beef with me. What?
I dare you to. I don't know. Take a sip from that.
The day is to serve.
That's not a dare.
Nah,
Yes,
nah.
thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Aye,
Let me pull for you.
Yeah.
Nikita, I dare you to let Kanye kiss you.
When you say kiss, what do you mean?
A baby
On the
kiss.
lips. Yeah.
Dana, why you
I'm
making
joking,
it
I'm
easy,
joking.
Dana?
On the cheek there. Kanye kiss.
I must kiss.
Yay.
On the cheek.
Dana, why you making it easy for them?
Who am I in a relationship
Want me
with?
to say, okay, Kanye, stick it in.
Baba.
Hey.
No, he wants me to say that. Bro.
Okay.
A French kiss.
Do it!
Wait.
No, you said stick it
These
in.
kids watching.
Just do it!
These kids.
Okay, cheeks, bro.
On the cheek. Guys.
No, not these cheeks.
Open.
The other
Oopsie.
one.
Hey, no.
Hey.
But then,
The
I
cheek,
just like
the face,
suggestions, guys.
The face.
Guys.
Boy, full of shit. Boy.
The face.
Then I want to chola.
We do not care.
You think I care?
I'm in a relationship.
We don't care.
You don't care, brother.
It's on the cheek. It's on the cheek.
Yeah,
We don't care. We. Yes. We don't care. We don't.
Nikita.
We don't.
we celebrate.
Yeah.
Celebrate.
Tommy. Tommy, are you okay?
Dog,
Are
bring
you
wa-
okay?
dog,
Guys,
water,
yo,
bro.
stop this video.
bro, China, dog, help out, dog.
This guy.
Yo,
Nigga,
guys,
like what's the number? What's the number?
911,
It's a prank.
Nah, bro, don't be playing like that.
Why
G.
playing like that, bro?
Oh fuck.
Fuck her, guys.
Why you laughing?
And I was like, she's gone. Bro.
Stop it. Get some help.
I thought you were dying.
Fuck that.
It's a prank, yo. Hey. Sorry, guys.
So
It's
what
a
did you mix?
prank.
What's this?
It's so guys, wait, hold on. Hey,
Shit is not even funny.
But I was like,
so
she's
I went
gone.
to game to go buy this, you know.
And it looks so real, bro.
Yeah, hey. We got them good. Coming down. Okay, guys.
I was like, it's
I don't
blood,
know how
bro.
it's gonna come out, but anyways, so what do you guys gotta say about this?
Fuck her.
Fuck YouTubers.
Subscribe,
Except me.
like, comments, and everything.
How do you feel?
Bro, fuck you. Fuck this bloodshed. Fuck this video.
100K.
1K in a week.
Views.
That's crazy.
No subs.
Yo, damn, I need to work hard. Anyways, cool.
Either way.
Okay, bye.